Buenas tardes a todos. Today I have come along to Cartagena to do a little bit of videoing, but it's such a big city that there's no way I can fit it all into one video, so there'll be a few videos getting posted up over the next sort of coming days and weeks. And today we're going to start off at the Harbour area, very popular part of Cartagena. There's cruise ships pop in here, and in fact we first visited Cartagena probably 12 years ago on a cruise when we stopped here for the day, so we had a good wander around, quite like the city, and one of the reasons why we sort of eventually settled quite near it. So I'm just going to have a wander around, capture some footage, try and make it as interesting as I can. And if you like it, please let me know, and if not, let me know as well. As I say, I'm trying to build the channel for the guys who are watching it, so let me know in the comments if you like it or not, and how things need to improve if they do. So let's have a wander and see what we can find. So this part of the harbour is just along from where the cruise ships dock, and there's a lot of boats here. It's a big marina, very popular. I don't know how many of these boats never move, but there are lots and lots and lots of them around. There's also in the distance there's a place that makes yachts. It's one of the big super yacht manufacturers in the world, and sometimes you see some fantastic yachts in there. So I don't know what's there. We'll have a look when we get there. And a couple of big boat building places, and I believe this is where submarines were invented, in Cartagena. So we'll maybe try and find out a bit more information about that as well. But just going to wander along the harbour side at the marina, show you what's here, and hopefully we'll find something interesting. So just on the right hand side here, before you get into Cartagena city, on the right hand side of the marina you've got a couple of big restaurants and bars here. So this one's got the 43 sign on it, so that's the locally produced liqueur that's made just up the road here in Murcia. I love the big restaurant. As you can see, there's a few people around. It's not overly busy yet, but there are a few people dotted around, and a few interesting older sailboats here. So this one's like a small pirate ship, complete with pirate skeletons there, and all the sort of little masks in the window there. So it's obviously used for events. You can rent that one if you fancy going out sailing. There's a few big catamarans here as well. So there's a huge selection of different boats if boats are your thing. It's something we always fancied doing, getting a little boat and just going sailing, so we'll probably do that one day, see what it's all about. So yeah, Cartagena harbour in itself, it's probably got enough to keep you going for a couple of hours if you're coming for a wander, just to have a look and see what's going on down here. You're only, less than 5 minutes from one of the main shopping streets, Calle Mayor, which we'll have a look at in another video. So you can certainly come here for a wander, have a look at the boats, see what's going on, stop in for a bite to eat somewhere, I suppose. There's plenty of restaurants here. There's the ubiquitous Burger King is up here, and it's the only Burger King I've ever seen that has a silver logo. So I don't know whether they had to do that to fit in with the kind of upmarket feel of the place, because it's the only one I've ever seen that's not in their sort of trademark colours. I'll just whiz the camera down and have a quick look at it, let you see what I mean. So you can see here, Burger King's just all in silver, and including the logo, although it is looking a bit tatty and tired now, so maybe they need to freshen that up. I forgot to mention it's Sunday the 23rd of February. It's quite another overcast day today. They did promise us some sunshine after yesterday's rain, but it never came to anything today, so everything's still pretty cloudy. It might clear up, who knows, little bits of blue sky peeking out here and there. It's around 1:15 in the afternoon, and we're probably sitting somewhere around 16 degrees, so by no means cold, but certainly not as warm as we've had it. So again, a couple of nice restaurants here right on the waterfront, very popular in the summer months. And just over straight up there over to my right from the harbour, you'll see over there, that's the way you walk up to the Calle Mayor, which takes you right into the city centre, and just on the right is the entrance to the big Roman amphitheatre, if you want to have a look at that as well. So plenty to see and do in Cartagena. So there's a little bit of a carnival here at the minute. Big university up over there to the right hand side. I can see the big polytechnic. And then just out, looking out from the marina here, these are the various boatyards and yacht builders. You can see there's one over there which is just getting built. I'll try and get a better shot of that. It looks to be an expensive one, whatever it is, and a few sort of navy boats around. And we have in the past, just outside at the harbour entrance, seen a couple of submarines sort of popping up and down as well. So just going to continue walking along here. So they say just a little carnival set up here. Not really that much at it, to be honest. And this big statue has always got kids clambering all over it. Lovely little building there just along at the end of the harbour. Obviously something to do with the custom house or the harbour master or something in the past. I don't know what it's used for now. But the other thing that goes on here is there are lots of boat trips that you can go here. So you can go along and look at the various islands. That's where you get the port tour. You've got this Palomas Island tour, and then Algameca tour. So you know, these go every single day, and then there's a few other tours that obviously as the season picks up. Just while I see it, this is the main sort of tourist boat, so doesn't really come out that well. I'll try and turn to the side. So Barco Turistico again does all sorts of harbour tours. And then just up here on the right of the harbour, we've got the Naval Museum, and a nice big sculpture of a whale's tail. just in the water here. And then that building just on the right is the Naval Museum. And you'll see just along here there's a whole row of old ships' cannons, just pointing out to the harbour. And then just as I've come round here, I mentioned earlier that sometimes you'll see submarines, and then I just looked over to my left, and sure enough there's a submarine docked just over there. So I'll try and get a couple of photographs of that, put it up as well to let you have a look at it. So I'm just going to walk back along on the other side, just opposite the harbour, just to the beginning of Calle Mayor and the big town hall, but I'm not going to go into Cartagena in this video. We'll do that on another video, because there's loads to see. So this is always a very popular place to come, and even more so in the summer months. So we'll just turn the camera around and let you have a wee look at that. So various little sculptures dotted around at the beginning of this entrance here. I wonder how many photographs have been taken with this guy in that pose all over the internet. And then just little sculptures dotted along, and then these are the sort of city walls. I believe Cartagena was once a fully walled city, and lots of bits of the walls remain. So I'm not going to get any further on this one. You'll get a sort of look at what's going on here. Another statue there that's well photographed. And some nice bells just in the background there. 1:45, so it must just be the bells every 15 minutes. So yeah, just over the sort of building in pink there is the entrance to the museum and the amphitheatre on the right, and then all the way up that street there are lots of shops, and down to the left nice little bars and restaurants, and it's another place to come and spend the day. So I hope you enjoyed that wee wander around the harbour area. Please let me know in the comments, and if you like it, I'd really appreciate it if you just like and subscribe to help me continue to grow the channel. So I really appreciate the people that have subscribed so far, so let's see if we can get a few more people just taking a second to click on that wee subscribe button and to like, and please comment, let me know if you like the videos, if you like the way the channel's going, if you'd like me to add anything else, anything in particular that you want me to film in the area. Happy to do that. Now fully retired, so it's just helping me find things to pass my day, so I appreciate that. So as always, thanks again for watching. Thanks for commenting and for getting involved. It really makes me want to do more videos for the people that are watching and subscribing. So we'll see you all on the next video. Hasta luego!